morning. Happy Vlogmas day 10. I look a little bit flat right now because Caitlin and I are headed to our photo shoot this morning and I only have foundation and concealer on, so I don't have any bronzer. I just look so ghostly. And the funny thing is I used to wear my makeup like this. I used to think that just putting a base on with no blush or highlighter or bronzer was a good look for me. And now I'm realizing it's a little mannequin-esque. As we said yesterday, we're going to be working with the Sentimental Fools as well as a local florist and a photographer to capture one of the looks for a Modern Princess series. And Caitlin and I are two of the princesses. I think they're princesses. I'm not sure. I've actually not seen the movie, but I'll wait until Caitlin and I are together before we tell you who we are. I'm really excited. Caitlin's really excited. We've been wanting to work with Jess and the Sentimental Fools for a really long time, so this is something to check off the list for 2018. So we're gonna tell you who we are now. Did we not before? No. Do you want to build a snowman? Because that's what we're doing today. Caitlin is Elsa. Yeah. And I am Anna. And it's a Frozen themed shoot. Now we have to go work. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Spanks are out. Or, you know,
but you're the modern day princess.
Our photo shoot today with the Sentimental Fools and Crimson and Clover and Gardella photography, and we had an amazing time. Everyone is so talented and made us feel extremely comfortable. We had a great time. We laughed, we talked. It was just fun to hang out with a bunch of really cool women this morning. So thank you to everyone who helped organize that. Then I traveled to DC. I went to Skin DC for Botox in my forehead, which is probably why it's looking a little shiny and pinprickly. I won't see results for about a week, but it's my second time getting that done. If you want to see a video about my thoughts, Q&A, care, how long it lasts, price, blah, 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 let me know. It's something we could film, I could film. What else? So that was in DC. I got home around 3:30. It's just been a very long day. And now I gotta do the thing that I don't ever wanna fucking do, and that's put away all my clothes. We went to California the end of October, and I still have not unpacked from that trip. Wait until I show you the disaster. Wait until I show you the disaster. It's disgusting. I can't believe that it's gotten to this point. I told Mike we should just bag it all up and throw it away because obviously I don't need it. It's very overwhelming. So I came down here to grab the camera so I could show you, but I came down here to grab some wine because that's about the only thing that's gonna make this tolerable. Okay. We've reached the point in our wine collection where we've drank all of our pretty affordable bottles and now we're on to the cheap. I'm so tired today. We're on to the expensive bottles. So we have to finish it because it won't be good tomorrow. This is the Bordy Lost Order number 191, 2015. Very excited. Mike and I love this. I would let it breathe, but I don't feel like it. You're trying to think.
Lost order.
You're trying to think of everything that's in the wine cabinet.
No, it's in there. It's a lost order.
Good job.
No, it's not the other.
I couldn't remember if this was the one that said to wait.
We should start like marking the bottles.
I agree. Okay, I'm gonna show my shame. Okay, so you've seen this closet before. The day that I packed up my ASOS. It doesn't look any better. So I gotta finish that. If you didn't think it could get worse, I'm here to prove you wrong. Yep. Uh-huh. This is happening. This is my life right now. This is the suitcase from California from the end of October. There's a pencil sharpener on here. Boots, more boots, tons of loft stuff. Clean. This is all clean. You wouldn't know looking at it. Stuff from our loft trip the other day. Returns to Target. More clean laundry. More stuff from our photo shoot. You guys. I don't know what's going on here. That's not my mess. But would you just look at it? At least it's not the whole bed. It's just half the bed. As if that makes it better. I feel a lot of shame for this. Trust me, I do. It's disgusting. Every time I look at it, it fills me with stress and anxiety. And then I just shut the door and I go about my merry day. But today is the day that I face the music and I try to put all this crap away. I'll show you the after. Okay, here's my after. Suitcase is empty. These are winter boots that I just have to find a home for. I think I have to have this dry cleaned. 2 bags of returns. Winter coats, I need to purge my old ones so I can make room for new. That's an empty tote bag, and this is a duffel bag that I'm getting rid of. So, I think I crushed it. That's Mike's pile, so I'm not worried about it. But all he requested was that he had a place to sit down and put his shoes on in the morning, so I think I gave him that. Feels good. I think that's it for today. It's a short vlog, but we are exhausted. The driving, the photo shoot, my doctor's appointment. I got all my stuff hung up. I'm just tired. I don't think there's gonna be a Vlogmas tomorrow. I just need a break. I hope that's okay. So I hope you guys have a great night and we will see you probably on Thursday, I would say. If not Thursday, then definitely on Friday. Bye.